Buying construction materials in bulk can cut your per-unit costs dramatically and make a budget-friendly home build truly achievable. When we talk about bulk purchasing for home construction, we are really talking about targeting repeat-use items where standardization is possible, like fasteners, drywall, insulation, and standard-size doors and windows. Start by building a detailed material list from your plans. Then group items by type and size so you can see exactly where bulk pricing makes sense. For example, all 2x4 by 8-foot studs or all half-inch drywall sheets. For fasteners, pick 1 or 2 screw and nail types that work for most tasks, then buy large boxes instead of small cartons, which can lower the price per piece by 30 to 50%. With drywall and insulation, keep dimensions consistent, because suppliers give the best discounts when they can ship full pallets without mixing sizes. For doors and windows, choose standard sizes and common styles, since special orders ruin bulk leverage and usually add long lead times. Finally, always ask for contractor-style discounts, even as a homeowner, by bringing your full material list to at least 3 suppliers and asking each to quote a total job price, not just shelf prices. The first big mistake people make is mixing too many product types and sizes, which kills volume and leaves you paying retail on lots of small orders, so simplify your design wherever possible and repeat the same materials. Another common issue is ordering everything at once without checking storage conditions, leading to damaged drywall, rusted fasteners, or wet insulation. So stage your bulk orders so materials arrive only a week or 2 before that phase of work. A third concern is overcommitting to one supplier because it feels convenient, but that often means you miss real savings, so always compare written quotes and use them politely to negotiate better pricing. BigHomeProjects.com is our online directory that helps homeowners who are planning bulk material purchases connect with local contractors who understand budget-friendly builds. We also help contractors find more projects through our listings and our built-in discussion community, where everyone can share real-world tips on group buys, supplier deals, and practical ways to stretch every construction dollar.